Hello students, now we'll solve the remaining parts of question number 4 and here also we have to determine which of the following are divisible by 11. So to be divisible by 11, we'll start from right and we'll subtract the digits at odd places, sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places. So this is odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So first we'll sum the digits of odd places, that is 8 plus 3. 11 plus 6, 17 plus 0, that will be 17 only, minus the sum of digits at even places. 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. So that will be 0. 0 is the multiple of 11. 0 multiplied with 11 is 0. So this complete figure will be divided by 11. Now in this one, we'll again do the same thing. So the sum of odd places will be 1 and minus sum of even places is also 1. So the answer will be 0. 0 will be divided by 11. So this figure will also be divided by 11. Now the last part, we'll again do the same thing. Now we'll sum the odd places. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, minus sum of even places, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, so that will be minus 11, but we'll take this to be positive, so we'll suppose this to be 11, and 11 will be divided by 11, so this complete figure will also be divided by 11. Remember, if there is a minus sign, exclude it, take it to be 11 and then do the factors. Means if it is a multiple of 11, then it will be divided by 11. And this is how you can solve this type of questions. I hope you understood this. Thank you.